Don't get mad. Don't get mad. But he don't love you. Here's where an argument could ensue. And somebody could try and prove to me that he do. He do love me. You can know about his past. You can know about who he's been with. You can know where he came from. That's a deep one. And you can know where he's going. But one thing's for sure, two things is for certain. He don't love you. And I'm not a person who trying to be on the guy's side, trying to be on the woman's side. I'm just telling you people from a universal standpoint, from deductive reasoning, that he don't love you. Some of y'all might say, because you're not married, or because there's a chipped up view, a cloudy view inside of that gypsy bulb that's being shown when there's a prediction about your future. When you go to church and try and cast out demons and ask in the name of God, in the name of Jesus, to send me a man, you get sent some form of an alien that is on your side, some kind of Gila monster, some kind of a transforming thriller monster from the Michael Jackson set, and you have a problem. He doesn't love you. This is not a bad thing. You might think it is because you want him to. You have a desire for this non-pissing in the toilet correctly, this I can't find a great job person, this always in the refrigerator eating up everything, expecting royalty treatment without giving royalty treatment. This, he don't love you, and that's not a bad thing. So I'm saying this as Italian as I can make it come out for all of you people that don't get it. I wish your cheek was here so I can kiss both sides. To tell you straight from a Boston type accent or something like that. He doesn't love you. I understand that. But I do.